Hello from molding expert VR technology. Here is a new mold that will be added to our virtual reality app very soon. Let me show you what this mold looks like. We open it up in steps. Number 2. A and B half are separated at the parting line. Now we are taking the plates and spread them out on our work table. Here we have another separation of plates. We're looking at the cavity. We're looking at the cores and the mechanism. Further explosion view of the tool components. The A-half hot runner system, which is usually supplied by the hot runner manufacturer, thus we have very little information on the hot runner. Now we take off the water lines for each individual plate is moved out of the model horizontally and vertically up, so we can identify the cooling inside of each of the individual mold plates. Let's walk up to the injector half and look at the cooling circuit a little bit more closer. Now we can see all of the plates opening up. We can take each and individual component and put them into an X-ray mode to see inside. We now can take the backup plate as well, put it into an X-ray mode. We can take the water lines and examine the water lines together with the plates to identify how they are connecting with each other. Where are the ins? Where are the outs? Okay. Keeping all that in mind, we can tell now what these individual components are. We can look at the mechanisms of the sliders moving, surrounding, and creating the threaded end of this vial. Moving over to the A side, we can anticipate and see the cores, even the cycle counter. And we can see how these plates all work together in unison. Even the hot runner system. Let's grab the model of the hot runner and the hot runner plastic flow and evaluate this. Aha! This is how it works internally. This was a short description of what you can expect inside a virtual reality mold review. And let's close it up. And there you go. We can now look at the entire mold with all of its components